Hey everybody, StampinSueCreates here. I'm here to do a small little unboxing. Had a recent order put in through Stampin' Up and it arrived today, finally. So my name is Susan Timchak. I'm also known as StampinSueCreates. So thanks so much for stopping by. If you're brand new to my channel, thank you. Be sure to hit the red subscribe button and ring that little bell. I'm working my way toward 3K subscribers. But I just don't want the subscribers. I want you all to keep coming back, checking out what I'm doing, what I'm sharing, what I love. So, just knocked my light out. Anywho, let's get on with it. So first off, got a silicone craft sheet. These are not new. These have been around, but you know, they're kind of like that pen where you put it somewhere and you just don't know where you found it. Now I already have 2 of these. Do I know where they are? No, I put them in a safe place. So they're sitting in a safe place. So you know what, the heck with it. I got another one. They're cheap, inexpensive, great to have more than 2, right? So I'll go through some of the things that are not new. 2 packs of Whisper White cardstock. I'm gonna tell you, I love being a demonstrator. Stampin' Up challenges us with all sorts of different things. So for last month, it was if you got a new person added to your team. Well, I have to say, I was totally blown away and amazed at last month with not only did I get 1 recruit, 2 recruits, I got 3 new people added to my team. So now I have a lot more added. I also promoted to a gold level, which it starts at bronze, bronze elite, silver, silver elite, gold. Then it goes to gold elite, platinum, and platinum elite. And then, well, I don't know. I guess that's it. I mean, if I ever get that high, well, Lord bless me. But they were offering that. So with 1 recruit, they were sending us 2 packs of Whisper White cardstock. So, not that I want to be greedy, but I thought, well, jeepers, I got 3 recruits. Shouldn't I be getting 6 packs? But thank you, Stampin' Up. One of the perks of being a demonstrator, another perk of being a demonstrator, and of course, a part of the Sweet Stampers team, Sweet Bee Stampers team, excuse me, is being able to order from new catalogs. So this is what I have in front of you. Some new products from the upcoming new catalog. Let me grab it. Oh, it got bent. I hate when that gets bent. So here it is. This is going to be released for customers on August. Ooh, is it 3rd? Let me get the calendar here. Let me take a look-see. I'm thinking August 3rd. I don't know why I'm thinking August 4th. But anyhow, August. This will be released to you. Being a demonstrator, we're able to pre-order everything from this catalog. So hello, yes, of course I want to. Now this is my second unboxing. My first unboxing, I had a lot more items, but this was just, you know, I think I want to get these couple things. So if you're not a customer of mine, come on over to www.StampinSueCreates.stampinup.net and come on and check out what's going on. I also have a great Facebook page. I am always posting things on there. You can find me there and all social medias at StampinSueCreates. I also do a live Facebook event every Thursday night, 7 p.m. Eastern time. So come on over. I always give things away and we just have a lot of fun. Meet some new people, have some fun, and maybe you'll win something. Who knows, right? It's, you know, it's just fun. I love doing it. People love to meet new people, and maybe you'll pick up a few tips or so, but definitely. So this is where this order comes from. And the back of my page got all zhushed, and I'm a little upset over that. So anyhow, stamp set. I have a new light here, by the way. So I'm hoping that this comes up good. HSN, which craft day, yeah, don't even ask. I kept myself to lights. So I got a pocket light, which was really inexpensive. And then I got this fun light. Look, it has 3 different different levels. It also has a part in the back where you can plug in and charge your phone, like hello, or whatever you want to charge, right? So, excuse me, let me take a little drink. I'm so parched, it's so warm here. Here I am in northeastern Pennsylvania, and it's like 90 degrees. Well, it is July. So I'm hoping going back to where I was, I think I have ADD. I hope the light is adding a little bit, got a little dribble of water on there, adding a little bit to the videos. Anyhow, Flight of Fancy. Now, isn't she, I'm going to assume it's a she, because, well, this could be a she or a he, but which is, hey, who am I to say, right? This one's Christmas, Halloween, and Valentine's Day. But I just think it's simple, but super cute, and I'm excited to play with this. This is a cling mount stamp set, which is actually a rubber stamp set. You put your labels on if you choose. The labels have a cling to them, which makes them super easy to stick to our acrylic blocks. So that's going to be fun. I'm going to love coloring with them. A lot of different mediums we have to color with if you're brand new to Stampin' Up. So then we also have bundles. We have great bundles. And while they're in the catalog only, there are bundle prices. So if you purchase the two together, you get a 10% discount. Plus, being a demonstrator, I have a 25% discount. So that means I have 35% off of the price. This was one of the bundles. Everything Essential. And again, are you noticing a trend with me? I like to get more than one thing out of a stamp set. So this one, you know, 3 holidays. Oh, could be 4. It could be anniversary, could be wedding, could be Valentine's Day, could be love, could be just because. So this one, Everything Essential, super cute. Look at all of these great stamps in here. Joy to the World. Look at that pumpkin. You and Me. Oh my goodness. Season's Greetings. Here's a haunted house, trick or treat. There's little bats, snowflakes, a heart, to and from, and of course a Be Mine. And the best part of this also is a red rubber cling mount stamp set. So the best part of this is it comes in a bundle, or you can buy it separately, but heck, go for it. This is the Essential Tag Punch. So by purchasing the 2 of these together, you'll want to check it out in August when that catalog comes out. This punch, and if you see me in the mirror there, will punch out all of these. So how fun is that? And look at this cute ticket punch. There's going to be so many other things you can do with this punch, not just with the stamp set. So I'm excited about that. And then I thought, you know, I didn't get any Halloween stamps. I mean paper. I got stamps. Paper. DSP is what we call it here in Stampin' Up! World. DSP stands for Designer Series Paper. So of course, like, yeah, I had to get some. So this one is called Magic in the Night. Ooh. So the colors in this are Basic Black, Blackberry Bliss, Cajun Craze, Pretty Peacock, and Whisper White. So let's take a look at this. I always try to keep it in here, but I have these fun folders, but you know what? I think I gotta order more of those folders. But ooh, look at this. Is this not cool? I mean, think more than Halloween too. So let's flip it over. Ooh, we have some scary bats. And I love how Stampin' Up! Does like this shading on the paper. You almost think like, ooh, there's something wrong with my paper. No, it's shaded like that. So you get 2 of each. So in case one of them's your favorite, you get both. So you flip it over. You know what I'm saying? Yes. So how about this? This is kind of ghoulish. Ooh. But also, if you're into these colors, hey, you can make some great cards with this, great gifts. And oh my goodness, look at that. It's kind of like a fancy spruced up spider web. Yes. And I could see coloring on this, can't you? With our Stampin' Blends, maybe a little brayer, a sponge brayer, or daubers. Super fun. Ooh. Now look at that. That's the Cajun Craze color. So it's the same thing. No, it's different. No, it's the same. I apologize. It's the same, but in Cajun Craze. And then on the other side of that, some spooky bats. Now, we did have in the past a bat punch. So, I don't know. Just saying. I don't think it will fit this, but if you have it and you try it, let me know. I'm not sure if I still have mine. I might have sold it. And then, oh, look at this. This makes some ghoulish things. It has spider webs and roses. I think they're roses. And love that. And then on the back, a simple stripe. So that can be used for anything. Okay. Here comes my kitty. Hello, Doris. Dory says hi, everybody. So here we have, this reminds me of like an old wallpaper. But again, that distressed look, which Stampin' Up! Is known for. Love that. And oh, here we have some coordinating flowers. Where's that first one? Look at that. Dory's like, yes, yes, I see. That's super fun. And then on the back, of course, was this one. And is that it? No, we have even more. Ooh, who doesn't like spiders in the color of Blackberry Bliss? Is that the color of it? Let me double check. Yes, Blackberry Bliss. Now look at that. I mean, I am not a fan of spiders. Where I live, we have 10 ton of spiders, and I don't like them. But Blackberry Bliss spiders, yes please. And ooh, look at the back. They call that Argyle. Correct me if I'm wrong. Argyle, I believe. But super fun. So, and that's our pack of Designer Series paper. Ooh, did I hit you? I'm so sorry if I did. I have you up close and personal. So again, this is Magic in the Night. So that is my small little haul, y'all. Just felt like I had to say that. I'm excited about free cardstock. Like, hello, what is this? Like over $20 of free cardstock? Yes, please. And don't forget, let's not forget my little silicone mat. You could use that for other things too. I mean, you could use it in the kitchen. It's great for the kids. You know, the kids are home. They're looking for things to do. They can do painting and whatnot and won't mess up your space. So don't forget, August through December 2020 mini catalog is what we're calling it. Used to be known, AKA, as holiday catalog, but pardon me, handmade for you. Lots of fun things in here. How many pages? 84 pages of splendid goodness. So thank you so much for joining me. I truly, truly appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Be sure to come on back, and we'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.